Low-interest credit cards are a great way to save money by reducing the cost of debt. When you pay less in interest, you can pay back what you've borrowed more quickly. A card with a 0% intro APR period will save you the most on interest in the short term. When choosing a low-interest credit card, it's important to consider factors such as the introductory APR period, ongoing APR, annual fee, and rewards program. It's also important to use the card responsibly and pay off the balance in full each month to avoid accruing interest charges. So in this video, we are going to discuss the best credit cards with low interest. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Bank Americard Credit Card. The Bank Americard credit card is a credit card offered by Bank of America. The Bank Americard credit card offers a 0% introductory APR for 21 billing cycles for purchases and balance transfers made in the first 60 days. The Bank Americard credit card is primarily a balance transfer card with one of the longest intro APR offers on the market. Cardholders can avoid paying interest charges on the balance of another credit card by transferring it to the Bank Americard. The Bank Americard credit card has no annual fee. Bank of America offers a version of the Bank Americard credit card for students, which can help students establish good credit habits. The Bank Americard credit card does not offer any rewards, cashback, miles, or point. Wells Fargo Reflect Card. The Wells Fargo Reflect Visa credit card is a no annual fee card that offers a 0% introductory APR for 21 months from the date of account opening. After that, the APR will be 17.99% to 29.99% based on the cardholder's creditworthiness. The card is designed for people looking to pay down debt or pay off a large purchase. The card offers an extra long window for 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. The balance transfer fee is 5%, minimum $5, which is higher than some other cards in its class. However, the Wells Fargo Reflect card offers a lower balance transfer fee of 3% intro or $5, whichever is greater, for transfers requested in the first 120 days of account opening. Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a credit card that offers cashback rewards for purchases. The Chase Freedom Unlimited awards 1.5% cash back for every $1 spent on all purchases. It also offers 5% cash back on travel purchases made through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% cash back on drugstore purchases and dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery service. The Chase Freedom Unlimited allows you to earn an additional 1.5% cash back on purchases in the first year up to $20,000. The Chase Freedom Unlimited has no annual fee, making it a good option for those who want to earn rewards without paying extra fees. The card offers a 0% introductory APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. The cashback rewards earned on the Chase Freedom Unlimited can be redeemed for cashback, travel, gift cards, and more. The card comes with several consumer protections, including secondary auto rental coverage, travel and emergency assistance services, and trip cancellation and interruption insurance. The bank lets its customers pool all their Chase Ultimate Rewards points into one account, both for convenience and better redemptions. Citi Simplicity Card. The Citi Simplicity Card is a credit card that offers Citi's lowest intro APR on credit card balance transfers and purchases. It is a balance transfer credit card for people with good credit or better, and it is a great balance transfer credit card because of its long 0% introductory APR on balance transfers and its $0 annual fee. The card offers 0% intro APR for 21 months on balance transfers from the date of the first transfer, and 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases from the date of account opening. After that, the variable APR will be 18.49%, 29.24%, based on your creditworthiness. The Citi Simplicity Card is a no-frills, no-annual fee card that is best utilized for balance transfers during the introductory 0% APR period. It is a very good 0% APR credit card that offers a $0 annual fee and introductory rates of 0%. The card does not offer a rewards program, so consumers looking for ways to earn rewards should look elsewhere. However, it offers several helpful protections and services, such as identity theft protection and contactless chip technology, and comes with $0 liability protection on unauthorized charges made to your account through MasterCard. The Citi Simplicity card is a good option for tackling debt over time, but it does not come with reward options. It is a simple-to-use card for transferring debt. Discover It Cashback. Discover It Cashback is a credit card that offers cashback rewards on purchases. Here are some key features of the card. Cashback match. Discover will match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year as a cardholder, regardless of how much you spend and how much cash back you earn. This can be a valuable benefit, potentially doubling your rewards. The card offers 5% cash back on purchases in rotating categories that change every quarter, up to a quarterly maximum of $1,500 in spending when activated. Categories have included gas stations, restaurants, and Amazon.com. There is no annual fee for the Discover It Cashback. The card also offers unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. New customers who sign up for the card get 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, followed by a variable APR of 16.49% to 27.49%. Discover offers customer service that includes talking to a real person anytime, as well as powerful, fast mobile and online service. The company also monitors every purchase every day, and you're never responsible for unauthorized charges on your Discover card account. Discover is accepted nationwide by 99% of the places that take credit cards. Discover It Cashback is a great option for those looking for a rewards-earning credit card. The card offers cashback rewards on purchases, including 5% cash back on purchases in rotating categories, unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases, and a valuable cashback match program that doubles all rewards earned in the first year. Additionally, the card has no annual fee, a decent introductory APR offer, and excellent customer service. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card is a rewards credit card that offers cash back on every purchase. Here are some key features and benefits of the card. Rewards. The card offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, every day. New cardholders can also earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. The card has no annual fee, making it a good option for those who want to earn cash back without paying extra fees. Cardholders can receive push notifications each time a new purchase is approved on their account, helping them stay on top of their spending. This is an online shopping tool that automatically applies available coupon codes to your order, helping you save money while you shop. Cardholders can get the best prices on thousands of trip options and pay flexibly with their rewards. A card or both eligible Quicksilver and Quicksilver One cardholders can receive a monthly statement credit for an Uber One monthly membership for up to 6 consecutive months when paying for Uber One monthly membership fully with their eligible card. The Quicksilver Rewards card is designed for people with good to excellent credit. There are also other Quicksilver branded cards for different kinds of consumers, including those with fair or average credit, college students, and those looking to build credit. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card is a simple and easy-to-use option for those who want to earn cash back on their purchases without paying extra fees. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a cashback credit card that offers unlimited 2% cash rewards on Visa purchases. It has a sign-up bonus of $200 cash rewards after spending $500 in purchases in the first 3 months. The card has no annual fee and offers a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers for 120 days from account opening. After that, the APR can be up to 5%. The card also offers a 0% introductory APR on new purchases for a limited time. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a Visa credit card that reports to the credit bureaus. It also offers cell phone protection. The card's terms and conditions are subject to change at any time, subject to applicable law. To be eligible for the card's welcome bonus, you cannot have opened a Wells Fargo credit card in the past 6 months. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a top choice among flat-rate credit cards and is ideal for those who prefer the ease of using one card whenever they shop. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.